Hi everybody, my name is Brent, product and application trainer with Festool USA. In this build series, we're going to be building a mudroom cabinet, and it's going to be in my shop. Let's get started. So I've already gone ahead and drawn up the cabinet on some 3D modeling software. I have a cut list also that I can view on my tablet. One reason I wanted to do this in my shop is to show you that you don't have to have a huge shop to break down sheet goods or build some of these projects. Back at the training center at headquarters, I have the luxury of having 8 MFTs, so I can set up as many as I want. Here in my shop, it's quite a bit smaller, so I've got 2 MFTs. I've built one into a rolling table, and I've got one that I can just fold up, push out of the way, and utilize more of the space for when I'm assembling cabinets or using some of my other equipment. I'm also going to be using the TSC 55 REB with the dust bag. When I'm breaking down sheet goods, because of the smaller space, I don't like having the cord and the hose following me around, so I can use the TSC. I still get 90% dust collection with the bag. It works just as good. To continue the build, click here or check this out, and don't forget to subscribe.